Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you an amazing new AI tool called Love You by Jupitrr AI. It can instantly turn your talking video into engagement professional edit with subtitles and B-rolls, animation, background, music and more, all done automatically by AI. If you're creating video for YouTube, social media or your business, this tool can save you a lot of time. Let's see how it's work. First, you should create your account and get started for free. Step 2, upload your talking video. Click here and upload your video like this. Give it a name. I give it Ali. It's Ali is my name. And stay process AI your video. It's take some time. Don't worry. Now my video is uploaded. It's like this. Here you can change the picture like this. Click change power, change. There are a lot of templates. Here you can add the B-rolls for your video. Click here to add your emoji, subtitles, and more. It's easy to use actually. If you want to try this AI tool, I'll leave my link in description. Thank you.